have no man to take care of me. Foundation be $60, $55. I cannot. Being an independent woman is the biggest scam ever. Hello my girly pops, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ariane and I'm back today with a new video. I feel like I'm so freaking cute today. I really hope you guys love the look, the hair, the makeup. I feel like it's giving. Rate my look 1 to 10 in the comments now. What are you waiting for? Let's get straight to the video. So babe, the first thing I'm not going to spend my money on, and I already stopped spending my money on this 2025, is coffee. If you know me and if you follow me on my social media, you will know that I'm an addict. It's insane, especially iced coffee. I just feel like when I don't take iced coffee in the morning, I can't function. I drink coffee every day and sometimes I can drink 2 cups of iced coffee. I love latte. I love every type of coffee. That's so bad, but yeah. Can you imagine that 1 cup of latte is $7? Do the math. $7 times 5. $35 a week just for coffee. I'm not spending my money in no latte anymore. I just love coffee, so I learned how to do latte at home, and every morning it's a type of self-care for me. I just romanticize doing my own latte at home. So it's a great way for me to save my money. So we are not spending money on latte this 2025. Second things I'm not spending my money on in 2025 is eyelash extension. All the lash tech are about to go broke. I feel like everybody is not spending the money on lashes ever since we find about 2025, everybody is going for the clean girl looks. People keep doing lashes, but me personally, I'm not. Unless somebody is paying for me. Honestly, even if somebody gives me the money to do lashes, I'm taking that money and I'm getting myself something else. Because these clusters eat. So get with the program, babe. Very cute to do lashes, but honestly, what's the point of spending $160 to get your lashes and this thing will fall out of your eyes in a week? In 2 weeks, you will look like a plucked bird. I'm not spending my money on lashes in 2025. That's one thing for sure. I think it's going to be new foundation, new makeup. The price. I don't know what happened in 2025, but I swear to God, the price of foundation today are not the price of foundation in 2022. How can a foundation be $60, $55? $40? I cannot. The only foundation that I'm getting this year, if I get a foundation, it has to be a drugstore foundation. And let me tell you something, I just feel like drugstore foundation eats. The new Maybelline that they just released, I've seen so many videos on TikTok and I'm definitely getting this foundation. It's $11. That's my budget for foundation in 2025. I'm not getting a foundation that's more than $15. Honestly, I'm lying. Maybe I'll get the House Lab foundation because this foundation eats. I'm not getting no foundation. I'll probably get somebody to get it for me, but my budget for foundation 2025 is $15. That's all I have for foundation. The next thing I'm not getting this 2025, I think it's going to be the 4th thing, is going to be cheap shoes. I feel like the more we grow, the more we need to have quality stuff. I don't know how you guys feel. I want to spend money in good quality shoes than getting multiple cheap shoes. I don't know if it makes sense. Honestly, and I feel like I have so many cheap shoes from Shein, Fashion Nova, and all these things. And most of the time, after a couple months, you have to get it back. You have to get a new one. So this year, I will just spend my money in good quality shoes. At least I know I can have it for a long time than just getting cheap shoes. Next thing is going to be cheap clothes. As I was saying, I just feel like the more I'm growing, the more I want quality stuff. So it's not a matter of like it's bad to have cheap clothes. I just feel like it doesn't fit my aesthetic anymore. And I'm not judging. I'm a big fan of Shein, but I will still shop on Shein. But the thing is, now on Shein you have so many stores, and I feel like the quality matter and the price matter too. So on Shein, for example, you can have great quality stuff, but the price is not going to be cheap. I will still shop on Shein, but instead of getting this $5 dress that you know that is not good quality, I will go with the things that I know is good quality. I'm not saying that I'm not going to wear fast fashion because I'm working as a creator. So I create fashion reel. I want to offer people affordable options. But even though I do that, I will still try to go for more quality item instead of cheap item. I don't know if it makes sense. With the trends nowadays, everybody has the same exact outfit and it pissed me off. I want to be me and I want to be unique. So right now I'm even working on my new looks because I want to be different. I want my outfit to pop. I want to get into more vintage stuff. I just love fashion and I just feel like at my age and wherever I'm going and my aesthetic and stuff, I'd rather go for more quality stuff. So this year I'm not going to spend my money in crazy cheap item. Number 6 is going to be Stanley Cup. Are you going to judge me if I'm telling you that I do not have a Stanley Cup? Ever since the whole Stanley Cup trend came in, I'm not gonna lie, I wanted to get a Stanley Cup. Honestly, even 2 months ago, I went to Target and I actually wanted to get a Stanley Cup. But when I saw the price, I was like, damn, I can literally drink water out of my water bottle. I'm not gonna die. I don't really need a Stanley Cup. I want to have a Stanley Cup, but honestly, it's too hard for me. It's too hard for me to think that I have to spend $45 or $60 or $50 in a Stanley Cup. I don't think I need a Stanley Cup with my own money, but with somebody else's money, I definitely do. Number 7 is going to be ebooks. I just feel like all the ebooks out there are scams. I don't know about you guys, and I really want to have your genuine opinion on ebooks. Why do you try to force me to get an ebook, first of all? And especially those people on social media showing a lavish lifestyle, talking about
you should get an ebook if you want to live that lifestyle. I literally just made
$50,000
in one day. Babes, let's be honest. If you literally just made $50,000 yesterday, why are you begging me to get your ebooks? Because you'll repeat the same thing over and over and over and over. You are not selling at this point. You are begging people to get your ebooks. I've never seen somebody that's rich, that makes so much money, begging for people to buy their things. If you really want to teach somebody how to do something, I'd rather do a one-on-one with you. Let's talk. Follow up with me, trying to check to see if there is result while we can work. Or sometimes they will buy the ebook from somebody else and they don't even know what is actually in the ebook. Do not waste your money in somebody's ebook. If I do an ebook one day, please don't listen to me. Pay for my ebooks. 8 is going to be viral beauty product on TikTok. TikTok shop is the devil. I've been suffering with that TikTok shop and I decided to not flinch anymore. I'm not getting nothing viral on TikTok shop. No, we have to know that not every must-have is for anybody. I feel like sometimes the TikTok girlies are lying. Oh my god, y'all, my camera died in the middle of my video, but yeah, we are so back. And as I was saying, sometimes this girl can lie. I mean, I can't really judge them because I'm a creator. I just feel like I'd rather do videos on product that I try and I actually like. It's so easy to spend money without even thinking on TikTok shop. So next thing is going to be nails. Guys, it's so hard to say that, but unfortunately I will not be spending my money on getting my nails done every 2-3 weeks. That's not possible. I never thought I was going to be this girl, but I started doing press-on nails and I literally fell in love with that. I just love it, and I learned how to do my press-on nails and make them last for 3 weeks, and that was the best thing ever. And I think in my last video somebody said, oh, I love your nails. That was some $4 nails that I got at HEB, and these are actually my favorite nails. I've been wearing them for the past couple months and I just love them, and it saved me so much money. But I will always get my toes done. I always get pedicure. Let's be honest, nails is expensive, especially in my area where I live. So I'm with the press-on girlies now and I just love that. It's a good way for me to save my my money. Number 10 and the last one is going to be anything that doesn't actually align with my actual life. Something doesn't align with my life, I'm not spending my money on. No more buying for the aesthetic. It's done. I feel like I passed this stage. No more buying for the aesthetic. No more buying for the trends. No more buying for the sake of buying. No more buying for the aesthetic version of me. That's why I said I'm not getting a Stanley Cup. The Stanley Cup is for the aesthetic version of me, but the normal real me don't really need to drink water from the Stanley Cup. The water bottle is fine. So no more buying for the things that don't actually match my lifestyle, that don't actually match my life that I'm in, my era that I'm in, my aesthetic that I'm in. Like, no, I'm not doing that anymore. If it actually doesn't fit with my routine, with my vibe, with my everyday, it's a no for me. And I'm so happy to say that. And I actually don't care about what people will say about me or call me cheap or whatever, because at the end of the day, baby, you are not in my pocket. You do whatever you want with your money. Call me whatever you want. I don't give a damn. Your opinion don't really matter. It just go like this on my body. I don't care. So yes, girl, I was so happy to share this moment with you and hang out with you and laugh a little bit. But these are actually my 10 things that I'm not buying in 2025. And I cannot wait to hear from you and hear the things that you are also not buying in 2025. Comment down below everything you're not getting in 2025. I can't wait to read you guys. And if you don't follow me on my different social media, what are you doing? Now go and follow me. So yeah, I hope you like this video. I was so happy to hang out with you. Like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.